Hey guys, today we're in the shop today working on our 2011 F450. I do have the cab off, doing some engine work, and we're due for cab mounts. So it was kind of a two-in-one deal here. As you can see, this front cab mount, or for the radiator support, is long gone. It was clanking, making all types of racket. This is where S&B has really stepped up the game with making 100% silicone mounts. Everything you need is already included. Even give you a piece of paper to let you know anything above the paper is above the frame, anything below the paper is below the frame. I'm gonna show you quickly on our front cab mount here. This one has a little bit more meat left on it. The factory Ford urethane foam falls apart, deteriorates over time. We were lucky to get as long as we did out of these, but that one actually came apart pretty easy. Some of them, obviously, if you guys have a lot of trouble getting them to separate, you're gonna have to run a Sawzall here. Just careful not to cut things, to cut the mount off and then put your new mount on the frame. And just repeat that for all of them. It is not necessary to lift the cab all the way off. You can lift this just a few inches, do everything you need to do to swap out the mounts, and then set the cab back down and tighten it up.
Now we're done installing our S&B cab mounts on this old workhorse 450. We don't have to worry about issues as body misalignment, cab vibration, or thudding through the floorboard. If you want to find out more or get a set for your truck, head over to XDP.com.